This has not happened in 5 days.
No, I don't know what to do with myself.
Me too. What should we do? It's like the world's our oyster right now. What's up, y'all? I'm back at it. I'm so late this morning. I gotta hurry up. So late. I've had everyone in the office kind of talk about themselves. You're gonna meet everybody on our team right now. Alice, what do you love about working for Haute Hijab?
It's really hard to pick one thing. If I had to, I would say it's our insistence on being your true self every day at work. It's like we all come from different places, doing different things, with different ideas and goals, but we come together and unite around this one common purpose. We have this like diversity in perspectives, but unanimity in passion.
What's that common purpose?
To change the way that hijab and Islam is perceived, and also the way that it can feel to wear hijab.
Salwa, what do you love about working for Haute Hijab?
The working conditions are adequate. Checks down the list. The hours here are adequate. The temperature in here is adequate. My bills are getting paid. I guess it's more about the people I work with. It makes it so easy to come into work without dreading the commute.
No man, I'm trying to eat. Want some?
Why do you like working for Haute Hijab?
I don't know, I don't even get paid the big bucks.
That's actually very accurate.
Ahmed works for love.
Ahmed has a sugar mama.
ERIN Smith,
Yes.
why do you love working for Haute Hijab?
A lot of times people view fashion as very superficial and like it's just fun and colorful, and I think you come to understand that it says so much not only about yourself to the world, but it's also about what you say to yourself. And I think that being able to, to provide something that's just great quality and makes you feel awesome and helps you conquer the world. I love to be a part of that, and I always have.
How long have you been with our team?
I started in October of 2012, so it was just the three of us at that time.
Take me through your journey when you started with us and till today.
Gosh, when I started, I was the person who stored all the inventory, so I had all of that with me in Chicago, and I packed each order. I didn't have a car because I lived in the city, so I used to schlep all of your packages down the street, rain or snow or shine, and like find mailboxes to put them all in. I mean, it started so small, just a couple of orders a week, and it grew so quickly. I went from like 3 boxes of scarves to like 30.
Veronica. Why do you love working for Haute Hijab?
I like working for Haute Hijab because I can make your mom jokes in the office and people think that they're funny.
It's haram to make fun of the mother who gave birth.
Noor, what do you love about working for Haute Hijab?
I love that doing work also means I'm part of like a larger social mission for Muslim women, which for me is very important, because that way I don't feel like I'm just working. I feel like, they're actual real life women benefiting from everything that we're doing here in the office, and every decision we make is always like, what would they think? What do they want? What do they need? Which is fabulous, and it's just overall fulfilling. I love it.
Giselle, why do you love working for HH?
Why don't I love working for HH? First of all, it's like working with my family every single day. How wonderful is it that you get to spend your days doing something that is not only your personal passion and that you happen to be just naturally good at, but it also just brings great clutter and has something to do with your religion and your faith. So, I mean, it's just amazing. Haute Hijab is the best.
This is crazy. We're leaving the studio and it's daylight outside. I have my sunglasses on. Yeah. What are we gonna eat for a iftar? Actually, we could get a real yummy iftar.
Amazing meal.
Yeah, we're here. We are really in Chinatown. So,
That's China.
what do you mean by that?
Zoom in.
Okay, I'm zooming in.
That's China. It's not even Chinatown anymore. It's like they don't speak English past that point.
It's gonna be so great. What are we gonna eat?
Dim sum.
Yes.
Hand pulled noodles.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Halal Chinese food.
Uh-huh. Crab. Yeah, that's all you, man. That tofu and crab thing, the first day of Ramadan, that was nasty. Because I took a bite and I was like, ugh.
Fasting person to say food is gross. You know it's gotta be bad.
Yeah,
but it was actually
bad.
very, very good.
Yeah, these are Giselle's words. This is the best Chinese food I've had in my whole life. I was like, it was so good. Oh my God, look at that. Why is the water so disgusting? Look at that fish. This is just Giselle's jam. It's like Dubai all over again. She just wants to be in the souk.
Yeah, take me to any soup.
Let's look at hats. I can never wear hats. Remember when we were trying to put the hat on the model and she's like, it doesn't fit.
What do I do?
No.
Welcome to hijab world, sweetie.
This is too boxy.
It's a little boxy, yeah.
I bet you'd put one of these on and look so fly.
You know it.
Okay, let's take the ugliest one and see if we can make it look cute.
Pick the ugliest.
You look like you're a 20s flatbird slash a soldier from Russia. This is what Giselle wants again.
This one. Or this one.
Yuck.
Or this one. But is
No, I can roll with this one.
spare rib beef?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, I don't know. I don't know. I could go with that. Dude. Oh my God, actually, can we come here after? I want the fruit cocktail, but without the bananas, because who wants bananas? Ew. Ooh, look who it is!
I heard the dance. Well.
Okay.
Hey, you said you were gonna shave today.
I did.
No, you didn't.
So what's the game plan?
We're gonna go in here. We're eating at Dim Sum Peking Duck. Oh yes. Thank you so much. When your food gets here, but you still can't break your fast yet, and then you just have to sit awkwardly and hope that the waiter doesn't come around. How was your meal?
I can't move.
Did you like your food, Ahmed?
It was so good.
Yeah, it was good.
So good.
Yeah.
Now it's ice cream time.
I know. You guys are such heifers. Who has room for this kind of food? Only these two fatties over here.
Nope. Every other normal human being in the world.
Dude, you're seriously such a heifer. I can't believe you. You guys are disgusting. I don't know how you even got that in your stomach. Yeah.
Listen. When you're with the gang, you gotta eat. You gotta throw down.
All right, y'all. It's been real. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.